Hello friends, I Dr. Anjit Elkapaliwar welcome you in my YouTube channel BSVS Educational Learning Center. Today I am going to discuss about how to generate the online certificate or e-certificate by using the Certify EM add-on along with the Google Form and Google Slide. So there are different types of add-on is available in G Suite marketplace from which we can easily download or install this Certify EM add-on so that we can use to generate the online certificates by using this Google Slide and Google Form. In my previous video, I have already discussed about the creation of the quizzes, feedback form, registration form, student satisfaction survey or course survey by using this Google form. This Google form is also useful when we link this Google form quizzes or feedback to the Certify Me add-on. Then it is very useful to generate the e-certificate for students or any type of participant. It is also useful to generate the online certificate, that is the limited certificates to the participants of the various activities. Suppose we are conducting like webinar or any poster quiz competition, essay writing competition, etc., or any national celebrating any poster competition or any environmental day or any national days, etc. For that particular event, it is very easy to issue the online certificates. So let's go one just go in the platform, that is Google search box, and log in by using the Gmail ID and click here this 9 buttons icon. Click here and go in the Google Drive. So this is the my Google Drive. So there are different way to go in Google Drive. You just go type the my drive in Google search engine, just log in and open. So this type of platform is open. So these are the various previously applied files is here. So just click on this new button now here, plus button. There are different types of option is available, that is Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slide. Then click on more and create the new Google form. So once you create the new Google form, the new window is open. This is the untitled form, and this is the just create your what exactly you want to put here. You just create the small feedback form or any quiz or any registration form and link to the add-on called as a Certify Me. So once you link to the add-on called as a Certify Me, the certificate will be automatically generated and it is goes to the student or participants email ID. So we see let's see how this work. Now I already prepared one Google form, and that's why I'm not going to create another one. So this is my previously created Google form, quiz for certificate. Just I am collecting the email addresses of the student, then name of student, name of college, and I just want to put this two uh, parts in the certificate, that is the name of student and name of college. And these are the short two questions I have put here in order to generate the certificate, and this is I collected in the form of quiz. You can create this Google form in the form of feedback also. Means if any event is completed and suppose you uh, forward it or send the link of feedback to the participant, then the certificate will also be generated. So there are different type. You can create the feedback form or any type. Just give the title here, this is very important. Then email address, and especially the Gmail address is very important. Then name of student, name of participant, and name of college. So this is the quiz. Now the next our aim is to generate the online certificate by using this Google form and Certify Me add-on. So for that, the first is you just go and install the Certify Me, that is Certify M add-on. So click on here this more option here. There is a three buttons is given, three dots is given. Just click on here more option, and this is called as add-ons. This is the symbol of add-on. Just click here, the new window is open, and there are different types of add-ons is available like form notification, form ranger. It is very important. Then email notification for form in order to schedule particular quiz for particular time. then there is a certify me, then there is a time, uh, timer is given, that is start, stop, control, accepting the responses. So different type of add-on is available on the G Suite marketplaces. So just type here, you can just scroll down and click here in certify me, or you just type here certify M. This is the add-on, just click here. Now here uninstall, because I am already installed it, and that's why it is shown uninstall. So just install it here. The one when you are installing the software through this G Suite marketplace, just install it, accept the term and condition, and it is going to install in the your PC. So just close it. So this type of symbol is appear in this Google form platform. This is the add-on, and just click here. So this is, so just click on this add-on, certify EM, and it showed the certify EM control. So just click on this show certify EM control option. Once you click, this type of window is open and it is start working in few seconds. This is the platform of certify EM uh, add-on. Okay, so it's a, so this is the certify EM platform. This is the quiz. This is the Google form quiz, and this is the certify EM. Now next step is to link this Google form to the certify EM. So for that, certification is off here. So just click on this button, that is the turn on. So once you click on turn on, so it in few seconds it created. So it is now shows that certification is on. Now next option is, here there is a passing percentage. So you just go for the different types of passing percentage. Suppose you want to created any quiz and want to issue a certificate for 40%, means suppose any student pass above 40%, they are eligible for the certificate. So just click on here, and suppose you want to give the certificate to all participants who take part in the quiz, just click on the 0%, so that whether student pass with 10%, fail or pass, they will receive the certificate. So I'm just clicking here 40%. So this is the, as per your requirement, you can change it 60%, 70%. Then this option is the template, that is the different types of template is available, that is black frame, brown frame, etc. So these are the template which is available in the certify EM. And there is another option that is called as a use a custom template. So this is very important for us uh, to develop a custom template, and this is only possible by using the Google slide. So you need the to develop the uh, template certificate by using the Google slide. So we see later about the use of custom template. So first we go with the template which is available in the certify EM. So for that, for selection, there is an option called as a preview all. So just click on preview all. So this type of ready-made templates is available in certify M platform. So just select any one. If you want to give the simple certificate, you don't need to change it, and it is also not, it is very simple certificate. So just these are the certificates, just choose it, select the golden. So I'm just selecting here golden, or any type, another type like red ribbon type template. And suppose you want to check it, email me sample. Suppose you want to check the sample how the certificate is look like. So just click on here certificate. To you can click on here, so preparing a sample certificate. So it will be goes in your email ID, and you can easily find out the how it look likes. So it is a sample certificate has been made, so you can check it in the mail also. Then another option is, there is a another button that is called as a advanced. Just click on advanced. Once you click on advanced, new window is open. there is a message when the student solve the quiz or fill the feedback form, then a certificate is generated, and this type of message is received by the student, that is thank you for your submission, if you pass you will receive a printable online certificate shortly. You can change it also. You can customize whatever you want to any message to be received for student or any participant, you can change it also. Then name of sender, you can write your name as a teacher, uh, so that the student know the name of sender. Then subject of email, certificate, certificate of quiz. You can write your own subject. Then content, congratulations you are passed, you have passed. In this way you can write the content of the email. Then scroll down, there is another important option, that is the certificate option. There are two options is available, one is the PDF, another is the image. You can select so that the certificate will be built in the form of PDF or image. So just I'm clicking here PDF. If you want to send a certificate in the form of image, you just click on the image button. So in this way you can customize by using this advanced button, and after filling this all data, just make the save changes option. So once you make save access, so all this thing will be completed, setting is completed. We are using the only template which is the available in the certify m platform. Now link this exam. Now after that, link to exam means link this Google form to the certify view. Then click on link to exam. So this type of window is open, means your this Google Form quiz is linked to the certified app. Now this is the certificate. Then this is the responses obtained, because here now presently zero responses. Then you can send this now quiz to the student by sending is clicking this option. You can send to by mail also to the participants. You can create generate the short link also, shorten URL, just copy it and send it to through your Google Classroom or Telegram or WhatsApp group to the students, so that student can solve this quiz and submit, and once he pass the quiz, the certificate will be automatically generated. So this is the process. Now this is the quiz. Suppose I am for sample, I just filling this data, just going in preview section and writing the mail here, mail ID, Gmail ID. Then I am writing here my name, the name of college, then who is the prime minister, president, and just submit it. Now once you submit it, you can view the score also. So in this way you are already the student can submit the score. So this is the quiz. Here there is a response one. When you click on the create spreadsheet, so this shows that the one student is submitted the quiz. So in this way, once the student submitted the quiz, the certificate will be goes in the their email box. So let's see the whether certificate is received or not. Generally it takes 2 to 3 minutes, or sometimes it takes more than that. You just click here. So this is the sample certificate, just congrats. So this is the sample certificate which is received in, this is the first certificate, sample certificate in the which is available in the template. So this is the Lisa Simpson quiz for certificate. So this is, in this way the simple certificate is generated. You cannot make any changes here, so it is not much useful, and that's why the custom template is important for the creation generation of the online certificate, along with your signature. Then you can add the college logo, institute logo, etc. You can put the different types of titles also. A poster competition, essay competition, because here there is very limitations in template format. So just click on once again. So there are it takes few time, we see the letter how the certificate is look like with the another response. Suppose I am writing, seeing another email ID using just clicking here, name of college. Type, that is how to use. This is all about the template form, how to use the template which is available in the certify email. But this is not very useful, so let's go in the custom now. So just click on here template. There is an option called as a use a custom template. So custom template means you create your own certificate, whatever you want to add, images, logo, college institution, signature of the different administrator, whether it is officiating, it is principal or any other person, convener, program coordinator, etc. You can create and add the signature also. So in this way you can go for the use of custom template. Now when you go for the custom template, you need the another platform that is called as a Google Slide. To go in the Google Slide, there is a option in Google Slide. You can create the your template, certificate template in Google Slide itself, or you can create a certificate in Google, in MS Word also, or in PowerPoint presentation. Just copy it and paste in the Google Slide. That is very important. Google's template certificate means custom template certificate can be only generated by using the Google Slide. So there are two ways. Just copy it, the template, and paste in the Google Slide and enter the required data. That is the name of participant, then college name, uh, percentage if you want to show in the certificate, etc. You can be easily add in the Google Slide. So let's go in the Google Slide first and then customize the template. So for that, just go in the search engine, type the Slide, Google Slide. Then this type of window is open. Click here. Then this is the talks, sheets, slides and forms. So this is the slide option. Go to Google Slide. Then click on this plus button. So there are different types of format is available. Click on this plus button and create the one sample certificate. So we are seeing the sample certificate. Just I am deleting this portion. So this is the it is look like a PowerPoint presentation platform. So there are various themes is available, background, layout, theme and position. This is the theme. Now in themes there are different types of layouts is here. So you just select any one. Suppose I am selecting this. So this is the theme. This is the border. You can change it by using the background also. So there are different types of background is available. You can select it. You can change it as per your requirement. Then there is a layout. So these are the different types of layout is available. This is the very simple layout. Then this is the another platform. This is the third. So this is the I'm selecting this, suppose. Then I'm just deleting it as per my requirement. So this is the border and certificate, uh, simple certificate. Now just add here logo, college name, then convener name, program coordinator, their signatures, then content of the that is the body of certificate, then certificate title, etc. You can customize it as per your requirement. So just here there are different types of symbol. Now this is the certificate which is present in the landscape format. Suppose you want to change it in portrait format, so just go in the file section Then there is a option called as a page setup. Click on page setup and you change it by using the custom. So you just this width and this height. So whatever you want to, suppose you want to change in A4 format, imported format, so just uh, add the different dimensions here and apply, so that the certificate will be uh, created as per your custom format. So this is the page setup. Suppose you want to different types of size, then you can create it. So this is the one option file. Then another is there is a option that is called as a insert. Now in insert option, just click on, there are different types of two option is very important. One is the image and text. Suppose I want to add college logo, just click on insert button, then image and upload from computer. There are different option is also available. You can post by URL, photos, drive, Google Drive, or any image can be selected by using the search the web. But this is very important, just go for upload from computer, select the folder at, suppose this is the logo, and just minimize and put it as per your requirement, where you want to put. Just scroll down and put. Then this is the, suppose here you want to title of the institute, again go in the insert, there is a option called as a text box. Just click and write down the title. This is the title, suppose. Then make the changes here, just select it. You can change the font of this title, then you can change the font size also. You can change it, or you can make it bold, italic also. You can underline it, and you can also change the color also. So these are the different is available. You can make the highlight the color also. Suppose you check it, so it becomes the this type of color. So this is about the addition of the title. So just select it, transfer. So this is the title. Then you can add, again select the insert button, text box, then here add the certificate or participation, certificate of participation, etc. Certificate. In the similar way, you make the changes bold, then change the color. Suppose you want to make it italic, just change as per requirement. This is the certificate here. The next option is the important is, that is the body of. So for that I just copy paste from my previous certificate. So this is the content. Then insert button, then select the another text here, then select and paste it. So as per your requirement, you can uh, create your content here. Then this is the event. Suppose you want to show the percentage, he has secured percentage. We can write down here percentage, here name, here college name. Then you can also add the another option, that is the insert image. Then go in the upload from computer and select the your signature previously select. For that you need to save in your computer drive. So this is the signature. Suppose you can add more signature also here, 1 2 3, just go in the insert image and upload. So first, second, third, etc. can be added. You can add the another text here and just give the name. In this way you can add customize your certificate. Suppose you want to generate the date, to just go here, insert, then text box, then date of the certificate, just write down the date of issue of the certificate. Suppose you want to generate the certificate ID, just create here, then this is the another box, certificate ID. So in this way you can create your own certificate. Now once certificate is created, so it is in the which that is the I am just giving here sample certificate, sample certificate 1. So this is the sample, it is already saved in the Google Drive. Now there is a need of the addition of the some tags, that is the here this is to certify that, write down the name, then college name, then here date automatically should be generated, then certificate ID. For that you just go in the Google search engine, type the certify me custom template. To click on here, just open this website of certifyem.com. To just scroll down, so this is the merge tag, this is very important for the generation of online certificate. So there are different types of merge tag is available. One is full name, title, other identifier 2, other identifiers, date 2. There are different types of format. Percentage, suppose you want to show in the certificate, you can use this merge tab. Then passing percent, certificate ID. So these are the merge tab, and description is given. So suppose you want to give the name of the participant in the certificate, so just use this type of curly type of brackets, write down the full name and close the bracket. For title of the any event, just use this word title. Other identifier, use this other identifier. Suppose you want to two identifier, suppose name of college is the first identifier, then designation is the another identifier, so you use identifier. There is no one here, there is a two. Then suppose you want to combination of this other identifier and two, a combination of the other identifier one and two separated by commas. So in this way you can use the, for date this is the date. So don't change any thing here, just write down, suppose here ful name, full name, to just write down this type of merge tags. So this is very important. So this is available in the website called as a certify em.com custom templates. So these are the very important, so just note down. For name it is a full name, and then for college name I am using the other identifier. For the date I am using this date, and for certificate that is the certificate ID. So just go in the Google slide once again. Here this is to certify that off. So I just want to give the name, to just use the curly brackets here two times, then write down the full double L and name and just close it. So this is the full name, so which is mentioned in this merge tab, that is the full name. Then another is the other identifier. So just go in once again. The name of college is the second, because in practice quiz here name of student and second is the name of college, and that's why I am writing here of college name, that is bracket, then other identifier and close, curly bracket, close. Then he secured percentage, suppose I want to show the percentage, so just use this percent, then bracket, percent and bracket close and full stop. Then another option is date. So for date, just two curly brackets, then date, and it is close. So date of certificate issue here. Date means this is the DATE in this format is available. Then another is the certificate ID for the generation of the certificate ID. So it is certificate ID. Just click here. Then bracket certificate ID. So just write as it is, which is mentioned here. Certificate ID in small letter. So in this way, you are added the full name, other identifier for the college name, then percentage, date, and certificate ID. So just you can change this full name. Just make it bold. You can change the color also. Then other identifier. Then you can make italic also. Then second similar type of setting you can do it. Suppose you want to underline, you can underline it also. He secured the percentage. Suppose you want to highlight this also, just bold it, then date and certificate ID. So just change it any color suppose you want. In this way you can make the changes here. So this is now we already added the tags merge tag for the generation of the certificate by using this image, that is this merge tag image tags notif codes, merge tag codes for the generation of the certificate. So once it is completed, now once again go in the quiz, just link to exam once again and fill the data now. The name of college, then solve this quiz. I'm just clicking here and just submit it. Once it is submitted, can score can be shown here. Then this is the certificate. Then in quiz there is a responses is obtained because I repeatedly added here. So this is the responses. This is question. You can just go for who is going to submit it, who submitted the quiz. So there by using the email there are answer details is obtained here. So just after few times, it takes sometimes 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, or half an hour also more many times. The certificate is automatically generated in the email ID. So this is the first certificate. This is the sample certificate. This is the first certificate. That is the template which is available on the Certify My. So this certificate declares that quiz title, date, certificate ID is generated. This is the first certificate, and it takes time to generate the another certificate. Let's wait for that. So in this way, the mail is received with showing the certificate. Just download it. We found that this is the certificate. Here there is a name, a college name. This is the certificate ID. This is the date of issue of certificate, and here he has secured 100%. So in this way, the automatic certificate is generated. So this is very important. There is a certain limitations of Certify Me also. Only 100 certificate can be sent in 24 hours. That is for one day. So kindly take care about that responses also. How many student is available for the quiz are participated for the quiz. Accordingly, you can manage for the 2 days. In next day you can send another 100 certificate, etc. So this is all about the generation of certificate by using the custom templates. So in this way, this Certify Me and Google Prime and Google Slide platform is very useful to generate the certificates. So I hope that you understand this topic, that is creation of online certificate by using the Google Form, Certify M add-on and Google Slide. So thank you very much for watching this video.